Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the fan speed on XIAOMI Smart Standing Fan 2 Pro. To do it, you can do it either in the app or on the fan itself manually. In the app, you'll need to just click on the fan, then you'll find fan speed settings, and you can just adjust this slider all the way down from 1 up to 100. Now, if you want to do it on the fan manually, then get your fan, of course. I hope you can see everything well, and you'll see this button. Click on it shortly, and you can see it changes which lights lit up. And the 1 is gonna be the lowest, and 4 is gonna be the highest. And that's basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.